Let there be light. Parkade is the lightest solution to your darkest problems. A light laden with virtues like no other. A fully customizable LED that is tri-proof. This means that it's waterproof, dustproof, and damp and vapor-proof, making it an ideal lighting solution for indoor spaces. With easy installation, suspended from ceiling or mounted on wall, Parkade lights are your easy way to light. Illuminate your spaces with the brightest lumens that are built to last over 50,000 hours and comes with added functionality from regular lighting to customizable functions, motion sensing, and emergency backup. With a full 5 years of warranty, Parkades are your best investment that will take you from the darkness to the light. Contact us to know more.